Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Prize Fiesta review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. This is Prize Fiesta on the Google Play Store. Prize Fiesta is a match 3 type of game. First things first, this application is a sweepstakes application, and if you guys don't know, I personally dislike sweepstakes applications. Now you can clearly see here that it says play and win real life prizes, right? And that it doesn't constitute gambling, while they have a flashing spin button there, which the irony in that is pretty funny in my opinion. So let's tap on the big play button. So this is what Prize Fiesta looks like. It's a very simple application where literally you just match the 3 symbols together, or you try and complete certain tasks like spread bubblegum around the area. If you've ever played a game like Candy Crush or something like that, you're probably familiar with this concept. At the top of the screen you have moves and a level. As you can see, there's actually sub-levels as well. I'm on 1 of 4 at the moment. Left side of the screen we have the little piggy bank there, and you can see that's flashing 14 at the moment, and it's stating that I need to get 400 mushrooms to earn $14. Right side of the screen there's a bonus that can be activated as well. It states fill the gauge to double and then triple the mushroom collection, which collect 400 mushrooms to collect this pot. You lose 1 mushroom every 6 minutes, by the way. So straight off the bat, I dislike that you lose your mushrooms if you don't use their application regularly. Every 6 minutes, guys, you have to think about that. By the end of the day, you're going to be draining tons of mushrooms. Now, at the bottom of the screen, though, you can see your piggy bank. Keep in mind here, there is something about a prize cavern. This is a very important factor that I'll speak about in a few moments. Bottom of the screen, you have your health, your trophies, and your gems. The more trophies that you're able to generate on Prize Fiesta, the more in-game currency they're willing to give you if you collect 10,000 trophies. They also have a worldwide competition going on with a pot of up to $500 to be won to the person that has the most trophies. Again, this is like a leaderboard system here, everyone, where you go up against people from around the world. You can earn 3 gems up to 20 times for inviting friends as well. Let me show you the gameplay area of Prize Fiesta and what you can expect. Simply matching these little objects together, I have to spread the bubblegum around the field. You'll notice that I'm also collecting mushrooms as well as I'm playing. So this is the whole concept, everyone. Collect the mushrooms, try and beat the levels without running out of lives. Sometimes you'll get these little presents that will spread throughout the whole board, which does come in handy quite a bit. And that's it. Okay, that level has now been beaten. I just got 25% extra bonus for beating that stage. Now you'll notice that I'm on 2 or 4 of the level now. Remember, sub-levels, everyone. Let's continue playing here. Keep trying to spread this bubblegum across the map. Just cleared almost the whole board there with 1 move. As you can see, I'm collecting more mushrooms here as well. And that's it. That little area has been completed as well now. So now my bonus is halfway completed, and apparently I just beat my record of the week where I got a chip. I'm gonna assume the chips for spinning that slot machine on the main menu. So now my bonus is at 50%. Let's continue on. So just spreading this bubblegum all over again. Okay, so now I ran out of turns. Here you can see it costs 59 gems for me to continue, or I have to completely restart again. You can see here as well, if I lose, my mushroom collection will be disabled for 8 hours. So from what I can gather from that, I won't be able to generate any more of the pots because my earnings disabled. So they're kind of forcing me to spend my gems here. So I've just done that now for 5 extra turns. And again, I wasn't able to beat the level, so now I have to spend more of the gems. I'm doing this because I want you guys to see what you can expect with Prize Fiesta. You'll notice now that the gems actually increase in price as well. Let me just spend more gems here. So again, I failed the level, and you'll notice the gems keep on becoming more expensive. I understand they're adding more symbols, but that's a ridiculous price hike. So now with only 1 square left, I can get 3 symbols, 5 extra turns, for almost 300 of the gems. You might be wondering, okay, why don't you just go get extra gems? I now have to disable my earnings, by the way. And that's it, I lost a life. You have 2 lives left. They weren't kidding either. My mushroom earning has now been disabled. Let's tap on the gem area. So straight away, they bring up a pop-up. 50 gems plus 450 free gems for only $1.59. We're gonna skip that because this is the in-game shop, and my lord, the prices are through the roof. As you can see, we start from $1.59 for just 70 gems, and we can go all the way up to 12,000 gems for $140 almost. We also have some sort of crown currency at the bottom of the screen there as well. And here is the list of all the countries that they apparently support the giveaways to. Let me try and play the Wild West stage. Yep, there we go. Caution, mushroom collection has been disabled. Would you like to continue collecting? Only 49 gems, which is almost $2 in currency, by the way. I cannot stand business practices like this. It would make much more sense for them to allow you to watch advertisements to get your gems all your life's back. At least in my opinion. Let's see if I can watch some ads if I tap reactivate. Nope, it just states not enough gems. Simple as that. Then it shows the pop-up again, and then it takes me to the store. Let's try the spin function out. Maybe we'll have some better luck here. Just tap spin, and I got 3 gems. Wow, okay. Let's spin again. Got 1 mushroom. Spin again, and I got 3 gems again. Last spin, here we go. 3 gems again, and a mushroom. So, pointless, essentially. The more people that you invite to their application, the more chips they're going to give you. So pretty much, they want you to invite your friends to their app, while giving you minimal return. They're obviously hoping that your friends spend some money on their app as well. Let's check the prizes area now. So this is what Prize Fiesta likes to show you guys out there. Apparently all these various winners across the world, okay? Now the only problem is, if you want to become one of these people, you tap here at the bottom of the screen where it says click here to display prize cabin. You need at least $750 in your piggy bank to apparently start winning some of these prizes that are on the screen right now. I cannot explain how much that irritates me that a system like this even exists out there. They state that there may be some other ways to win prizes as well, but the whole concept is that you guys are playing this because you're expecting to win real money on their application. Over 100,000 people have downloaded this application, and yet only apparently 5,000 people have won anything. That is such a low return on investment for your time, and it proves that the chances of winning are so low. Ultimately, in my opinion, Prize Fiesta is trying to get you to spend your own real money, trying to lure you in with their system of apparently winning these thousands of dollars worth of prizes. But by the time you get to the end, you're more than likely going to spend way more money than what you're actually going to win on it. This is why I hate sweepstakes applications. So honestly, is Prize Fiesta for everyone? Absolutely not. I feel like it's a trap to get you guys to play harder and harder stages with the hopes of you spending real money on gems to continue earning these mushrooms. Sure, you can just wait the 8 hours for mushrooms to come back, but then what happens? You fail again, and then you have to wait another 8 hours, or you spend money. It's so toxic in my opinion, and it seems their top rated negative review on their app claims the exact same thing I said. There is absolutely no regulation on the Google Play Store, so you have to be super careful where you put your time. Again, I'm not saying Prize Fiesta is a flat out scam or anything like that. I just don't think it's worth it personally, and I've tested hundreds of these apps. Something to remember as well is that Lagoon Software not only has Prize Fiesta, but they've also created Prize Blast. And Prize Blast works on the exact same system that Prize Fiesta does, with the whole pay-to-win piggy bank system with the sweepstakes system as well. So it's almost like Lagoon Software has built these apps for a very specific reason, and I feel like it's trying to hemorrhage money out of its players. Again, people might have won on it in the past, or even still continue to do so, but that does not mean that I can recommend it here on my channel. Be sure to check out my website and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.